If you've been looking for a home for you and your family with space, such as a formal dining room, over 3,000 square feet of living space, and over half an acre, this home might be the one for you. This home is located in Tomball, Texas, just minutes from 249 and is listed for $589,990. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,175 square feet, a 3-car garage, and sits on over half an acre. Now let's head inside and see what $590,000 gets you here in Tomball, Texas. Now here we are in the front where you can already see this beautiful elevation made out of brick and stone. You may be wondering where your 3-car garage is that I mentioned is actually located off to the side, whereas you can see you're actually at the end of the road currently, so you won't have much traffic coming around through here. Now you have this driveway and it gives you access to your 3-car garage as well as a gate into your half-acre lot. Now walking back to the front, you can see you have lots of greenery adding to that curb appeal, and you find this beautiful arched entry into your covered porch, providing you with shade for this Texas summer heat. And then walking inside, you actually see you have your formal dining room front and center. Once you enter, it connects seamlessly into the kitchen through this hallway. Now on the other side of the house, you have your first bedroom. And what makes this one special, apart from having no carpet, is that you do have an ensuite, which will be a tub shower combo, a single sink. You can see that beautiful vinyl plank going all throughout from the kitchen to the bedroom to the ensuite. Now let's go ahead and take a look where this foyer takes us. We arrive at your open concept living space. You can see you have your kitchen, your breakfast area, and your open concept entertaining space with these high vaulted ceilings, a gas log fireplace with the herringbone design as a veneer, a good amount of natural light through these windows, as well as doubling as views to your backyard. Now, I want to emphasize how beautiful this kitchen is. Usually I don't like the all white kitchen, but here with the floor being this wood, I feel it goes really well with it. You have bar stool space here, pendant lighting, and nearly floor to ceiling cabinets, guys. Tons of cabinet space, and your pantry is located right here. And as I mentioned, it connects seamlessly into your formal dining. You do have built-in appliances. You have your 5-burner stove there, the double oven and microwave, and right here next to the sink is your dishwasher. You have your breakfast area here, and like I mentioned, connected all in this main living area. Take a look at those stairs. Once you're up there, you will be able to take a look down and see everything that's going on in the first floor. Now your primary is absolutely massive. Take a look at this. So it has this bay window design, but it actually extends. Usually you only find 2 windows here in the middle section, and that third one is extended here, forgetting about this one. This one actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total windows, providing you with lots of natural light and this massive primary bedroom. And to match alongside with that, you have this beautiful primary bathroom, which is going to give you dual sinks with this all-encompassing mirror. You have a stand-up shower here with a sitting area. Beautiful tile all throughout. From the floor, it goes ahead and covers up the soak-in tub and actually goes into the walk-in shower. You have your private toilet here, and it connects over into the primary closet, which gives you lots of space to hang your clothes. And it doesn't end there, because it actually connects into the utility room with your wash and dryer connections, even more cabinet space. So this is exactly what I was talking to you guys about. If you guys need space, this is one of the best options you can find here in Tomball. And we're actually brought back into the foyer, so it does a circle. Here you find your mudroom with some shelving and coat hangers, your half bath here, and of course your 3-car garage, which was located off to the side, as you guys remember. Now that was it for the first floor, but before we go upstairs, I want to show you this gorgeous cleared backyard, fully fenced with that barn style fence. Let's go ahead and take a look. you will find this covered patio that extends a pretty good amount in the back. As you can see, you have more greenery here, all side brick, covered patio with 2 ceiling fans. But what I really want to emphasize is this beautiful space that you have. You can do really a lot here. If you guys have pets, if you guys want to add a pool, a shed, or a workshop. I know here in this community, they allow you to put a 20 by 20 workshop if you'd like. And last but not least, here in the backyard, you do have some pre-wiring if you want to add a outdoor grill or sink. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs now, guys. You found no carpet in the first floor. Walking up the stairs, you do see your first piece of carpet, which will be found throughout the second story. So walking up the stairs, taking this turn, you will see your absolutely massive second living area that you can use as a flex space, whatever you may like. And as I mentioned, you have views to your first floor. Now, what's special about upstairs, you have 2 more bedrooms, which are a very good size, this being the first, and this bathroom here, which is a very open bathroom actually. Take a look at the space you have here. You have a single sink with space for a vanity if you would like, access to your attic, easy to get your inspection, a tub shower combo, and your toilet there. And to finish it off, behind the second living area / game room, you have your last bedroom with a view to your backyard, front yard, I'm sorry, and a very nice size closet there. You made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like more information or to schedule a private showing on this beautiful home located here in Tomball, my information will be down in the description. Give me a call and I'd be happy to help you guys. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.